Are you suffering from arthritis and looking for natural ways to manage it? Then here are 5 powerful asanas to manage joint pain and relieve stiffness. Arthritis is a common ailment that increases with age, can make even the simplest tasks feel like climbing a mountain. It can affect various joints in the body, hands, hips, knees, lower back, you name it. The typical signs are swelling, pain, and redness, making it difficult to move, let alone walk. Now imagine a world where you can manage this pain, not with an array of medications, but with a practice that dates back to ancient times. Yes, we're talking about yoga. Yoga is not just about flexibility, it's much more than that. It's about creating a balance in the body through developing both strength and flexibility. This can help to reduce inflammation, a major symptom of arthritis. Yoga, an age-old practice, is not just about twisting and turning your body in different ways. It's about breathing, relaxing, and making your body work in harmony. Yoga helps in reducing inflammation, improving joint health, and boosting overall strength. It's a holistic approach that assists in managing arthritis pain. And the best part is, you can practice yoga at your own pace, in your own space. Yoga is a practice that promotes physical health in a multitude of ways. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Yoga can also provide mental clarity and calmness, relieve chronic stress patterns, and sharpen concentration. It can help you navigate the challenges of arthritis, not just physically but mentally too. So whether you're young or old, flexible or stiff, yoga is for everyone. It's a practice that can be adapted to your comfort level and can be modified to fit your needs. It's about connecting with your body, understanding its needs, and taking care of it in the best possible way. And now we're going to introduce you to 5 effective yoga asanas, or postures, that can help manage arthritis pain. They are simple, they are effective, and they can be done by anyone, regardless of their age or fitness level. So, are you ready to dive into the world of yoga for arthritis? Let's dive into 5 effective yoga asanas that can help manage arthritis pain. Vrikshasana, or tree pose. First on our list is the tree pose, or Vrikshasana. This is a pose that invites tranquility into your mind and body. Let's delve into how you can embody this serene tree pose. Begin by standing straight, feet together, grounding yourself like the roots of a tree. Then gently lift one foot and place it on the inner thigh of your standing leg. The sole of your foot resting against your leg in a perpendicular position. Be sure to keep the standing leg firm, embodying the steadiness of a tree trunk. Now inhale deeply, and as you exhale, bring your hands together in the Namaskar position, palms touching at the heart center. If you feel balanced and comfortable, you can slowly raise your hands above your head, keeping the palms together, stretching up like the branches of a tree reaching for the sun. Vrikshasana is an asana that promotes balance, both physically and mentally. It improves blood circulation, enhancing the flow of nutrients throughout your body. It also boosts concentration, helping to clear your mind of any stress, much like the calm one might feel under a shady tree on a sunny day. While practicing Vrikshasana, it's important to listen to your body. If you find it challenging to maintain balance, don't hesitate to use a wall for support. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about the journey and the growth that comes with it. Remember to maintain a steady breath while holding this pose. Just like a tree, allow yourself to be strong yet flexible, rooted, yet reaching for the sky. Paschimottanasana, or seated forward bend. Next up is the seated forward bend, also known as Paschimottanasana. This is a powerful pose that not only helps reduce belly fat, but also enhances your flexibility. Let's dive into how to perform this asana. Begin by sitting upright with your legs stretched out in front of you. Keep your feet together, flexing them gently towards you. Now, take a deep breath in and raise your arms overhead, elongating your spine. As you exhale, bend forward from the hip joints, reaching towards your toes with your hands. It's important to note that the bend should originate from the hips and not the waist. Keep your spine elongated throughout the pose. Try to touch your toes with your fingers, but don't strain if you cannot reach them yet. With regular practice, your flexibility will improve. Now, as you deepen into the pose, aim to touch your nose with your thighs. But remember, don't force this action. The goal is not to compromise the integrity of your back and neck. Hold this pose for a few seconds, breathing deeply. With each exhalation, try to deepen your bend a little more. A word of caution though, always listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort or strain, ease out of the pose. It's not about pushing your limits, but about gently extending them. Remember, it's not about touching your toes, but about extending your spine. This asana, when practiced mindfully, can bring a myriad of benefits to your health and well-being. Warrior pose. Moving on, let's explore the warrior pose. This is a dynamic yoga pose that energizes and rejuvenates the body. The warrior pose, also known as Virabhadrasana in Sanskrit, is a powerful posture that can help manage arthritis pain. To perform this pose, stand straight and spread your legs about 3 to 4 feet apart. Turn your right foot out to 90 degrees and your left foot slightly in. Breathing in, raise both arms to the sides at shoulder height, parallel to the ground. As you breathe out, bend your right knee, ensuring it aligns directly over your right ankle. Turn your head and gaze at your right hand. Hold this pose for a few deep breaths, and then switch sides. The warrior pose is a holistic pose that not only stretches the back, shoulders, legs, arms and ankles, but also builds strength and stamina. By stretching the arms and the chest, it helps improve breathing capacity, which is beneficial for those dealing with arthritis. The pose also helps to increase blood circulation in the body. Enhanced blood flow can help flush out toxins and bring a healthy glow to the skin. But remember, the key to reaping the benefits of the warrior pose is proper alignment. When bending the front knee, ensure it's directly above the ankle. This precaution helps prevent any undue strain on the knee joint and maintains the integrity of the pose. Ensure your knee is directly above your ankle in the front foot to maintain proper alignment. Triangle pose. Next, we have the triangle pose. Also known as Trikonasana, this pose is a powerhouse of benefits. It is a standing yoga pose that requires balance, stability, and strength. To perform this pose, begin by standing straight with your feet about hip-width apart. Now extend your right foot to the side, about 3 feet away from the left foot. Turn your right foot outward to 90 degrees, ensuring your right heel is aligned with the center of your left foot. Extend your arms out to your sides, parallel to the ground, palms facing downwards. Now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, reach out to the right side as far as you can. Once you've reached your limit, pivot your arms, bringing your right hand down to your ankle, shin, or the floor, depending on your flexibility, and point your left arm up to the sky. Your gaze should follow your upward arm. Remember to keep your chest and hips open, facing forward. Hold this pose for a few breaths, maintaining a steady and calm breath throughout. The triangle pose is incredible for alleviating back pain. It helps relax the spine and hips, which can often be stiff due to arthritis. It also strengthens your legs and shoulders, providing support and stability to your joints. Additionally, this pose helps manage stress, as it requires focus and balance. Practice this pose regularly to manage stress and improve balance. Remember, consistency is key in yoga. Each day you'll find yourself improving and feeling better. Keep going. Adho Mukha Asana or downward facing dog. Last but not least, we have the downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Asana. This asana is a traditional forward bend that can be both restful and rejuvenating. To begin, position yourself on all fours. Gradually lift your hips up, straightening your knees and elbows, forming an inverted V shape with the body. Keep your hands shoulder width apart, feet hip width apart, and toes pointing straight ahead. Ensure your hands are pushing down into the ground while your hips push back. Let your head hang down freely or gaze towards your navel. Hold this pose for a few breaths, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings, calves, and spine. The Adho Mukha Asana is known for its multiple benefits. Not only does it help relieve back pain and sciatica, it also works to rectify any imbalances in the body, improving overall strength. It's a great pose to incorporate into your routine, especially if you're dealing with arthritis. Remember to keep your breathing steady and relax in this pose. Conclusion: we've covered some powerful yoga asanas today. From the grounding tree pose to the rejuvenating downward facing dog, each offers unique benefits to manage arthritis pain. The seated forward bend works wonders for belly fat, while the warrior and triangle poses stretch and strengthen various parts of your body. Incorporating these asanas into your daily routine can greatly alleviate stiffness and joint pain. Remember, consistency is key. Keep practicing and stay healthy. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.